Hi, everyone. I'm Gary Hogue, joining today from my home office in Denver, Colorado. Welcome to the tutorial video for the new Generosity Monk website. To begin, I want to introduce you to someone special. Meet Mizrab Khavar. She works with me at Generosity Monk, serving as digital media strategist. Now, she's going to lead the proverbial tour of the site. Why? Because she envisioned it and worked with the developers to create it. Mizrab, over to you.
Thank you so much, Gary. Hi, everyone. This is Ms. Rab. I live in Jhelum, Pakistan. And I've started working with Gary on the project of Generosity Monk. And during this time, this season has been a great blessing in my life. So we created this website, and now we're going to make you a tour of that. So it's going to be like first the discovery of it, then the use of it, and then how you can share it with other people. So let's start. So this is the website's homepage, on which you'll see like navigation here. And it has the home, about, meditations, resources, books, devotionals, and scholarship. Invite the monk. So for the heart of Generosity Monk, it's the meditation library. So Gary has been writing meditations for the past 17 years, and it has more than like 6,000 meditations. So we have divided these meditations into like multiple themes for the people, and so that they can, read meditations of their own interest and just find meditations according to their themes. And there is this section of books. Multiple books are there. You can explore that. The devotionals, free devotion books are there. You can download into your systems, and you can share with your friends and family and the youth groups. And if you want to go deep into the research writing about the generosity, and the articles has been written by Gary Hogue, so you can download these and do the detailed reading of that. And we do have these video teachings, and in the coming months we'll be having the devotional series and the meditational videos in this section. And there is one more thing about this website. It's about the Invite the Monk, where you can engage Generosity Monk with he can serve in the biblical teachings, spiritual counsel, and the professional advice. And with that, we have one more amazing feature that you can see. And I would like Gary to come and tell us about this amazing feature of this website.
Sure. You'll notice in the bottom right-hand corner, you see a little icon. Click that. It's the Ask the Monk AI. This is a cool chat bot. I'm so excited because we uploaded my books, devotionals, and blogs, so you can ask it a question and it will provide a biblical and practical answer from that content. Now, I've tested this with skilled workers and found answers matched to how I would have answered, but it would have taken me a lot longer. You'll get an answer in like 5 seconds. It's free. It's available 24/7. And so if you're not sure what steps to take at your next board meeting, ask the monk. If you want advice for growing generosity at your church or charity, ask the monk. We invested in this tool for you. Take advantage of it, and do tell us how it helps you. Mizrab, back to you.
Thank you. And here comes the part where you can use the make it personalized. And so we have this free account where you can create your own personalized account, in which you can save meditations and you can read whenever you want. And for that, you'll be creating an account here: first name, your last name, your email, right? And after doing that, you can just create an account and you'll verify into your email. And this is the dashboard that you're going to see. From here, you can see all the saved items. It might include the meditations, it can be devotionals, all the written material, the profile. You can update any of the information you wanted. You can reset your passwords from here, and the subscriptions that you have for the daily meditations. So to start it, I would say that you can subscribe to the meditations, and you'll get all the meditations daily into your inbox. So it's a very simple step. You'll just click the subscribe button. You'll just write your name, the last name, and your email. And this is the Generosity Monk's rule of life, which is live simply, give sacrificially, serve humbly, and love generously. So we just commit to this rule of life and we join the community. And this is how you're going to receive the daily meditations. And I would like Gary to tell more about the mission of Generosity Monk.
Sure. If you click on the mission, you'll see the mission of Generosity Monk is to empower God's people to understand biblical stewardship and practice Christian generosity. And really, that's what this site is all about. We want to make it easy for you to not only access resources for your growth, but also for you to share with others. And speaking of sharing, on the bottom of the each of the pages, you'll see these icons. You'll see YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and LinkedIn and Facebook. Please subscribe and follow on these channels so you can share these resources broadly with others. We hope you've enjoyed this quick visit to the new site. From here, go explore it. Let us know if you have any questions, and we look forward to engaging with you further with this tool. Powerful tool.